Good day, sir. Today, I'm going to explain my activity, which is the coding exercise list. I use PyDroid IDE because I always do coding here, and it is available one that can be used in our mobile devices. So bear with me. Let's start. From line 3 to 4, comment to the computer, prompt the user to enter a list of numbers. Numbers equals to input, enter a list of numbers separated by spaces or split. So, pinapakita dito sa linya ito na humihingi ang aking code sa users ng number na magkakahiwalay gamit yung spaces. So, bale, maglalagay ang users ng number which is magkakahiwalay nga. Let's go to line 6 to 7. Comment converts the input numbers to integers. Numbers equals to integer na for num in numbers. This one, or itong linyang ito, is nagko-convert ng mga input numbers na hiningi ko mula dun sa first line to 4 line, starting to string up to integer. Pag naglagay ka ng isang number, is magiging integer siya, bale, itatranslate nung code ko kung paano ito maging integers. Next, line 9 to 10. Comment, calculate the sum of numbers. Total equals to sum numbers. This line shows the computation of the total numbers in every numbers that the user given. So, doon na pinapakita yung pagsama-sama or in addition na nung code ko yung bawat numbers na binigay ng isang user. So, line 12 to 14. Find the maximum and minimum numbers in the list. Maximum equals to max numbers. Maximum is equals to minimum numbers. Next is, dito sa linya ito, hinahanap ng aking code yung pinakamataas or maximum and pinakamaliit na numbers dun sa numbers na binigay ng isang users. Madali lang ma-explain yan kung talagang naiintindihan ng isang user. Line 16 to 17. Sort the list is ascending order. Sorted underscore numbers equals sorted numbers. Sa linyang ito ay inihiwalay at pipiliin ang bawat numbers sa pataas at pagkakasunod-sunod. Doon na i-arrange ng aking code ang bawat numbers na binigay mula sa taas up to pinakababang number. And line 19 to 23. Print the sum, maximum, minimum, and sorted list. Print sum total, print maximum total maximum, print minimum, print sorted list, sorted underscore numbers. So, doon na yung ipapakita ang kabuuan ng aking magiging code na ginawa.